Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Look at this!
That's great, Troy.
Ah! I can't get out!
Morphle, help, Troy! Yeah, but how? Morphle, morph into a helicopter. That way, you won't get stuck in the bushes.
Phew! Thank you, Morphle.
Oh, we've got to go, Morphle. Our class is going on a trip today. I'll tell you all about it when we get back. Okay, bye, Mila.
Morphle, can you help me out?
Okay.
I was working on fixing this hole in the road when our painter just drove into it. I was just driving, and all of a sudden my steering wheel was gone, and I drove straight into this hole. And now I can't get out anymore.
Oh, no! Morphle, help! Now you now fall in the hole again.
Morphle?
Morphle, good helper.
No. The control wheel of my plane isn't here either. Where could it have gone?
Morphle, help you get it down.
Whoa! Morphle? Morphle!
Oh, no. It's the bandits.
We're not just the bandits. We're the steering wheel bandits.
Oh no, without my steering wheel, I can't steer, and we'll hit a tree for sure.
Ah, I don't want to get stuck in plants again.
Morphle.
Uh-oh.
Morphle, help. No, Morphle. The bandits stole our steering wheel. We need your help.
Oh. Yeah, that's not working anymore.
You helped me again, Morphle.
Yeah! Did you help other people as well, Morphle? Morphle did. Morphle, sorry.
That's all right, Morphle. They are very sweet lions. And you found my plane's control wheel. Great!
Okay?
It was a bit chilly up there, but I've never seen the city from up there. I've got so much inspiration for my next painting.
I'm really tired, Morphle. Morphle, too. Can you help me get up to our bed, Morphle? Thank you, Morphle. Morphle, good helper. Thanks for carrying all my books, Morphle. Uh-huh.
Morphle, great! I need your help. Swiperbug swiped my glasses and hid them in its pet house. My glasses!
Morphle tired. Morphle do everything alone.
Oh, I'm sorry, Morphle.
I wish we could do everything Morphle can do so he could take a break.
Wait a minute, Mila. That's a great idea. This is Glitter Pug. It can transform humans into magic pets for a whole day.
Wow! Can you turn us into Morphle? Wow! Mila, morph into a monkey. Now that we can morph ourselves, you can take all the rest you need, Morphle.
I'll morph into a rocket. Now, how do I fly? Do you see that, Stein?
If we steal Glitter Pug, we could be Bandit Morphles.
The Bandits! Morphle, morph! I can morph myself! Mila, morph into a race car! This is so cool! Whoa, whoa! But not easy.
Jump! Jump!
How do I stop?
I need to go faster. Whoa! Whoa!
Whew!
Whoa!
We'll never catch the bandits like this. Let's morph into a robot, Daddy.
A rowboat coming up.
Whoa! Ooh.
Bandit robot! Robot!
Oh, a robot. Wow!
No, Morphle, we've got this. You were tired of doing everything alone, remember?
Morph no tired if work together.
You can't run anymore, Bandits.
We don't have to. Glitter Pug, transform us too.
We're not Morphle, Stein. No, but you're magic pets.
Oh no! Run!
We saved Glitter Pug.
Yeah! Now, play together.
Sounds good. It's rocket time. Whoa!
Well, hello, Mila and Morphle. What are you two up to today?
We're playing with Morphle's favorite toy, Mr. Action! Mr. Action is really brave and always helps people in need. Except for the bad guys, of course, like Professor Evil.
Oh, wow! How about we zap him to life so he can really help the people in the city?
Mr. Action Wheel?
Oh, put it on the ground, Morphle.
I am Mr. Action! Professor Evil, my enemy. Hand over that device.
Oh, all right.
Well, that was easy.
Oh, no!
Time to help the city fold.
Mr. Action!
We have to get that life ray back, Morphle. Quickly, morph into a superhero, too. too.
This calls for action. Don't worry, ma'am. I've got this. Get out of here!
Catch it, Morphle!
Leave this woman alone!
Thank you, Morphle.
I'm getting dizzy.
And you're the worst! No!
I'll take that, boys.
That definitely calls for some action.
Wait, what?
Here you go, honest citizens.
But those are the bad guys. Lying never pays, Peter Freeze.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, well.
Mr. Action! Wait!
Why are you holding Professor Evil? Are you his henchman?
No, no, no. This is Professor Evil. Professor Evil is a toy, just like you used to be, Mr. Action. This is Professor Rashid, and he shouldn't be a toy.
Oh, no. Thank you for your explanation, tiny blueberry girl.
Yeah, tumbling test tubes. Oh.
But how can I fight Professor Evil now? I must become a toy again myself.
No one can stop me now.
Mr. Action!
Oh, no!
What's the holdup? You've caught us already. Yeah. I'll be there in a minute.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Look.
Oh, no! Morphle morph into a T-Rex, too.
Morphle is scared.
Don't worry, Morphle. I think it's almost time for Brother Time to zap us back back to our own time. Look! We're back!
Yeah!
Thank you, Brother Time. Using your magic pet powers, we went to the past and saw lots of dinosaurs.
Yeah! Thank you!
Did you hear that, Yarn?
Yeah, they saw a lot of dinosaurs.
Yes, and
They had a lot of fun.
this means we can go to the past as well.
Oh, good idea, Stein.
And in the past, we can gather dinosaurs to create our own Dino Army.
Wow! I always wanted to be a general, Stein.
What's that? Oh no! Stop it, Bandits! We need to follow them, Morphle.
Keep up, Yarn.
Uh-oh, I can't see them anymore.
Morphle cannot too.
I know! Morphle, morph into a search dog!
Look, Yarn.
They are so cute and little.
They will be the first members of our Dino Army.
I don't think they want to join us, Stein.
Come on, guys. It's gonna be great. Ah! Ah!
Bandits!
Oh no! The bandits are in trouble! Morphle, morph into a gallimimus so we can catch up with them!
Yeah!
Now morph into a T-Rex to scare the velociraptors away! Bandits, the age of the dinosaurs is very dangerous.
It really is, Stein.
I guess you're...
Dinosaur!
Oh no! A pteranodon has taken the bandits! Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl!
I can fly.
Oh!
Oh, oh, whoa.
Morphle, morph into a triceratops so you can pin down its tail!
Phew! Thank you.
Stein, behind you.
Uh-oh.
Help us!
T-Rex! And the velociraptors!
Can't you morph into something?
Tricycle!
Oh no!
I have an idea. Morphle, morph into a big Argentinosaurus! Woo! We're safe here.
Great.
I love you, Morphle. Yeah.
Now we only have to wait until Brother Time's hourglass runs out of sand, and we will be sent back to our own time.
Look!
We're back.
Yeah.
Maybe the Dino Army wasn't such a good plan after all.
No!
Mila, Morphle, look at this new toy I got.
Oh!
Huh?
right. We're off to the beach. Magic Pets, take good care of the store while we're gone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Right. On to business, Yawn.
Have you tried it, Stan? It's pretty good.
Well, hello, madam. Is the hot weather bothering you?
Yes, terribly. How nice of you to ask.
Blaster, Yawn! Much better, right?
Last one in the water is a pickle.
Ow! Ugh. How did this ice get here?
No need to thank us. Enjoy!
Don't worry, Daddy. We're going to stop them. Morph into a giant lion Morphle.
And now to finish it off.
Oh no! Morphle! Don't worry, Morphle. I'll get you out of there.
So, they got Morphle too, huh?
Daddy, you're free.
Yeah, we're lucky the sun is so hot today. Now, let's get Morphle out of there.
Yay! Now morph into a monster truck. But with spikes on its wheels, so we don't lose any grip on the ice.
How about this? Uh-oh. Want some ice cream?
Morphle, draw T-Rex!
Ooh, it looks great, Morphle. But it's missing a tail.
T-Rex have tail?
And I don't remember what a pterodactyl looks like. We should go back in time to study the dinosaurs.
Yeah!
Brother Time, can you zap us to the age of the dinosaurs? Okay, let's make some great dinosaur pictures. Morphle, morph into a photographosaurus.
Mila, picture.
Cool! Look, Morphle, pterodactyls! Look! It has a long beak and great wings. And helicopter blades? Well, that was a strange dinosaur.
Yeah.
Look, Morphle, a T-Rex. A T-Rex is really big, and it has large teeth and roller skates. I've never seen a dinosaur do that before. Well, let's find some other dinosaurs, Morphle. Look, Morphle, Argentinosauruses.
So big.
Yes, Morphle, they are very big and have really long necks. Look, Morphle, it will stretch its neck to reach that leaf. Huh? What's it doing? Did you hear that laugh, Morphle?
Uh-huh.
Something doesn't feel right. Let's follow that Argentinosaurus. Orphle! Orphle, it was you all along.
Huh?
The pterodactyl with helicopter blades, the T-Rex on roller skates. Don't worry, because of you, we've got some great pictures. Do you want to see them? Hello, Mr. Ice Cream Man. 2 ice creams, please.
Of course, Mila. What flavor do you want?
Well, what is the best flavor?
The best flavor? I'm afraid I don't have it. You see, the best flavor was made by my grandfather. He used to travel all over the world to collect one very special ingredient. A flower so sweet, it would make the ice cream taste like nothing you've ever tasted before.
We could get that flower for you. Where can we find it?
That is the difficult part. Every year it grows in a different place. But my grandfather left these notes. They might help your search.
Looks like we have some traveling to do, Morphle. Morph into a helicopter. These notes point us to the jungle, Morphle. Let's go there. Okay, let's use our nose, Morphle. Morph into a search dog. check it out. Aw, it's just berries. We have to be more careful, Morphle. Looks like they're carrying some sort of sugar. Let's keep looking. I'm not sure the flower is in the jungle, Morphle. Ooh, I smell it too, Morphle. It smells wonderful. Let's return to the ice cream man.
It won't be long now.
Yay! Ice cream!
Here you go. The best flavor.
Wow, it's very delicious.
More? I'm sorry, Morphle, but that was all the ice cream I could make. But you can clean the spoon.
Yay!